Hello and welcome everyone. So in this video we will like to discuss about some important characteristics of modern operation function. So without any further delay, let's get started. The production management of nowadays presents certain characteristics which make it look totally different from what it was during the past. Specifically, today's production system is characterized by at least four features. First one is manufacturing as a competitive advantage, then service orientation, then disappearance of small task, then small has become beautiful. Okay, so first, manufacturing as a competitive advantage. In the past, production was considered to be like any other function in the organization when demand was high and production capabilities were inadequate. The concern was to somehow master all input and use them to produce goods which will be grabbed by market. But nowadays, scenario is contrasting. Plant have excess capacities, competition is mounting, and farms look and gain competitive advantage to survive and succeed. Interestingly, production system offers vast scope to gain competitive edge, and farms intend to exploit the potential. Then total quality management, time-based competition, business process re-engineering (BPR). Okay, just in time, focus factory, flexible manufacturing systems, computer integrated manufacturing, and the virtual corporation are but only some technique which the companies are employing to gain competitive advantage. Then service orientation. As was stated earlier, service sector is gaining greater relevance these days. The production system therefore needs to be organized keeping in mind the peculiar requirement of the service component. The entire product manufacturing needs to be geared to survey intangible and perishable nature of the service. Constant interaction with client or customer, this is important. Constant interaction with client or customer, small volume of production to serve a local market, and need to locate facilities to serve a local market. There is increased presence of professionals on the production instead of technicians and engineers. Then disappearance of smokestacks, protecting labor legislation, environmental movement and gradual emergence of knowledge based organizations have brought total transformation in the production system, and now factories are aesthetically designed and built environment friendly. In fact, they are homes away from homes. Going to factory every day is no more excruciating experience. It is like holidaying at a scenic spot. A visit to ABB, L&T or Smith Clean and Beham should convince the reader about the transformation that has taken place in the wealth creation system. And the most important and the last one is small has become beautiful. It was E.F. सॉरी ये स्पेलिंग थोड़ा सा डिफिकल्ट हो रहा है Schumacher, who in his famous book Small is Beautiful opposed giant organization and increased specialization. He advocated instead intermediate technology based on smaller working units, community ownership and regional workplaces utilizing local labor services. For him, small was beautiful. Businessmen all over the world did not believe in Schumacher's philosophy. Inspired by economics of scale, industrialists went in for huge organization and mass production system. So, from this, we obtain that there are four main essential characteristics of modern operation system. These are manufacturing as a competitive advantage, service orientation, disappearance of smokestacks, Small has become beautiful. You just need to write all the important point and describe each point very well with value added notes. So these are four main characteristics of modern operating system: M, S, T, and S. Manufacturing as a competitive advantage. S for service orientation. D for disappearance of smokes, stacks, and small has become beautiful. Thank you so much for watching.